Good afternoon. I will show you the technical demonstration of Smart Power remote door lock. This is the door lock, electric door lock made of CRC body. It is also available in the stainless steel body. Now this door lock you can operate with the remote control. You can see the door lock is open. You can operate this remote control from a distance of 200 feet. This is radio frequency control. You can operate from a radial distance. The building obstacle, metal obstacle is not a problem. This is not ordinary IR remote. You can operate like this. This will be still working. This door lock can be operated in a 4 manner. It is remote control operation. It is also key operation from outside. You can open with the key from the outside. It is manual operation on power fail. You can also operate manually. And it also has got the electric switch operation without remote. Suppose you don't want to use the remote, you can use with the ordinary electric switch. This is very useful for person who has got say a bungalow, who want to open from 2-storied house, want to open a door. This can also be operated with in attachment to the video door phone. Thank you very much.